Welcome to the Smart Money channel, your ultimate destination for building financial smartness and knowledge. We are thrilled to have you here. Whether you're a seasoned investor or someone who's just starting their financial journey, this channel is designed to empower you with the tools and knowledge to make smart financial decisions. We are here to guide you through the fascinating world of investments, money management, loans, cards, bank accounts, savings, and so much more. At Smart Money, we believe that financial literacy is for everyone. Our mission is to provide valuable information and practical insights that can be applied to your day-to-day life, regardless of your background or financial expertise. We understand that navigating the complex landscape of personal finance can be overwhelming, but fear not. We're here to break it down into simple, easy-to-understand concepts that will empower you to take control of your financial future. On this channel, we'll cover a wide range of topics, including investments, where we'll explore different investment vehicles such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and more. We'll discuss how to analyze investment opportunities, manage risk, and grow your wealth over time. You'll gain insights from experts along with practical tips that you can implement right away. Money management is another crucial aspect we'll delve into. From creating budgets and managing debt to saving for short-term goals and planning for retirement, we'll provide you with strategies to optimize your financial resources and make your money work for you. But it doesn't stop there. We'll also talk about loans, exploring different types of loans available, how to choose the right one for your needs, and how to manage your loan payments responsibly. Understanding the world of credit cards, bank accounts, and savings will also be a key focus. You'll learn how to select the best credit card for your lifestyle, open the right bank account to meet your financial goals, and develop effective saving habits. What sets Smart Money apart is our commitment to delivering information in a way that's easily digestible and applicable to your everyday life. We'll break down complex financial concepts into simple terms, ensuring that you can grasp and implement them immediately. We're here to empower you with the knowledge to make informed decisions and achieve your financial aspirations. So, whether you're a recent graduate starting your career, a family planning for the future, or simply looking to expand your financial acumen, the Smart Money channel is your go-to resource. Subscribe now and join our community of financially smart individuals who are taking charge of their financial lives. Together, we'll unlock the secrets to financial success and build a brighter future. I'm excited to embark on this journey with you. Remember, at Smart Money, we believe that your financial goals are within reach. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos filled with insights, tips, and expert advice. Get ready to transform your financial life and make the most of every dollar. Thank you for joining us, and let's dive into the world of smart money management.